Hey friends, today we are making my bacon cheeseburger cauliflower casserole. This is a recipe I wrote originally back in 2015, and I decided to update it because I wanted the steps to be a little bit easier for everyone. So it's just easier assembly and it's a quicker meal to get on the table. And it is loaded with bacon and cheese, tastes like a deconstructed cheeseburger in casserole form with a little cauli in the bottom as the base. Your family will never know. I have fooled mine for many, many years. I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Let's get started. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees and place your bacon in the oven to bake for 20 minutes or until nice and browned. Add some avocado oil to a large skillet and your ground beef. Break up your beef into small pieces and cook until completely browned. Once browned, add some garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, parsley, 1 teaspoon, onion powder, 1 teaspoon, real salt, 1 teaspoon, and a ½ teaspoon of pepper. Stir to combine. Remove to a bowl and keep warm. Use a slotted spoon so all the drippings stay in the skillet. Reduce temperature to low. Add butter, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, stir to melt, and 1.5 cups of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of mustard, continue to stir until the mixture thickens. Place frozen cauliflower in a bowl and heat to about 5 minutes in the microwave until it's soft. Add coconut flour, 1/3 cup, and a little bit of salt. Stir to combine. Take your bacon out of the oven once it's nice and crisp and remove it to a paper towel lined pan. Add some of your sauce to the bottom of a 9x13 baking pan. Add your cooked cauliflower to the bottom. Spread it evenly. Top with cheddar cheese. Be careful of shredded cheddar, which has caking agents in it. This sliced cheese from Trader Joe's doesn't have any caking agents. Top the cheese with our ground beef and spread it evenly. We add more of our creamy sauce and top with more cheese. The rest of the sauce and our delicious crispy bacon sprinkled over the top. Cover with foil. Bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. Remove it from the oven and remove the foil. Now place it back in the oven for 5 minutes to get nice and crisp around the edges. You can now top it with some fresh scallions if you like, and serve. delicious bacon cheeseburger cauliflower casserole is a hit with the entire family, non-low carb or not. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Please follow on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Thanks for watching.